Is your Ford Escape refusing to pair with your phone? Here's how to get your Bluetooth back on track. First, let's make sure Bluetooth is turned on your Ford Escape and your phone. On your phone, swipe down and tap the Bluetooth icon. In your car, press the phone button on the center console. Next, check if your phone is already paired. If it is, but won't connect, try deleting the connection. On your car screen, select your device and tap Delete or Forget. Now do the same on your phone. Go to Bluetooth settings and remove Ford Escape from the paired list. Now let's start fresh. On your car system, press Add Phone. On your phone, search for Bluetooth devices and tap on Ford Escape when it pops up. A pin will appear on both screens. Make sure they match, then hit Pair or OK. Still no luck? Try restarting both your car and your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes. And remember, some older Ford Escapes may not support the newest phones. Check your manual or visit Ford's website for compatibility. If all else fails, updating your car's sync software can solve stubborn issues. Visit Ford's website for easy step-by-step instructions. That's it. Bluetooth problems can be frustrating, but now you've got the steps to reconnect fast. Safe travels.